Today's medical-centric topic is 8 lifestyle tips to help reverse prediabetes naturally. Prediabetes is a warning sign that your blood sugar levels are higher than normal, but not yet high enough to be diagnosed as type 2 diabetes. The good news? Prediabetes can often be reversed with lifestyle changes. Here are 8 practical tips to help you naturally lower your blood sugar and reduce your risk of developing diabetes. 1. Adopt a balanced diet. Focus on whole foods. Choose whole grains, lean proteins, and plenty of vegetables to stabilize blood sugar levels. Limit refined carbs and sugars. Cut back on white bread, sugary drinks, and desserts that spike blood sugar. Add healthy fats. Include avocados, nuts, and olive oil for sustained energy. 2. Maintain a healthy weight. Lose excess weight. Even a 5 to 7% reduction in body weight can significantly improve insulin sensitivity. Track progress. Use apps or journals to monitor your weight loss journey and celebrate small victories. 3. Stay active. Incorporate regular exercise. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate activity per week, such as brisk walking or cycling. Include strength training. Building muscle helps your body use glucose more efficiently. Stay consistent. Short daily workouts are more effective than sporadic, intense sessions. 4. Monitor your blood sugar. Track levels regularly. Use a glucose monitor to identify patterns and understand how your body responds to foods and activities. 5. Get quality sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours per night. Poor sleep can affect insulin sensitivity and hunger hormones. Establish a routine. Go to bed and wake up at the same time daily. Reduce sleep disruptors. Avoid caffeine or screens before bedtime. 6. Manage stress levels. Practice relaxation techniques. Activities like yoga, meditation, or deep breathing can lower cortisol, a hormone that affects blood sugar. Set boundaries. Minimize stress by prioritizing tasks and avoiding overcommitment. 7. Stay hydrated. Drink water regularly. Staying hydrated helps your kidneys flush out excess sugar. Limit sugary drinks. Avoid sodas and juices that can raise blood sugar. 8. Avoid smoking and excessive alcohol. Quit smoking. Smoking can worsen insulin resistance and increase diabetes risk. Moderate alcohol intake. Stick to moderate drinking guidelines, as excessive alcohol can lead to blood sugar spikes.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.